Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add RAM to Minecraft server. You will start by opening the path where Minecraft is installed in File Explorer. Here, right-click and select New and then Text Document. Double-click on the text document and there you will copy the lines that you see on the screen with the allocated memory. In the description of the video, we leave you the options to use. When you enter it from File, click Save As. Here, under Save As type, select All Files. Assign the desired name followed by .bat, click Save. You can run this created file to allocate RAM to Minecraft. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.